Hey, how's it going, guys? Josh Anarelli here with Marine Max in St. Pete, standing on one of our newest listings, Best Times 2. It's a 2014 Cruisers Yachts 45 Cantius. This owner has a meticulous service log and has had some significant upgrades in the recent years. In 2023, he had installed a Seakeeper 5. He's also had engine, generator, and the pod serviced in June of 2025, including a reseal on the port pod and a remanufactured starboard pod installed. In addition to those items in 2025, he had a full PPF wrap installed on this vessel with ceramic coating, as well as new upholstery exterior. And now come on board and take a deeper look at Best Times 2. Before we walk up into the aft cockpit, what I'm standing on right here is this hydraulic platform which drops down into the water, so you can secure a dinghy back here if you choose, or use this as an area to entertain while at the sandbar. As you move forward, you're gonna have this beautiful seat facing aft, and this seat actually lays flat, and you can have the option to have backrest facing aft to give you a beautiful sun pad area. As we step into this cockpit area, we have L-shaped seating around here. You're gonna have a fridge to the port side and an ice maker to the starboard. We have a grill tucked neatly under here, and these two bar stools that give you an awesome place to hang out when you have this aft glass flipped up. Before we step inside, down below my feet here, there's an easy access hatch to your engine room here, which has your power package, which is a twin Volvo D6 435 horsepower paired with your IPS 600 drives. The Volvo inboards have just at 385 hours, and again, we have meticulous service records that we're happy to share. And as we make our way into the salon, we're gonna start in the galley area here. We have a beautiful Corian countertop with a sink in the corner and your cooktop right there with a convection oven just below. And you have your NovaCool fridge freezer combo just adjacent. As you move over to the starboard side, we have this couch with flip up leg rests. And as you come to the port, you have this U-shaped dining area here with this beautiful wood table. And as you make your way up to the helm, we're gonna have twin 12-inch multifunction displays by Garmin. Just between those is gonna be your Volvo Pentagauge, which gives you all of your engine diagnostics. This boat also incorporates a Garmin autopilot for making cruising down the coast a breeze. And these Volvos have the IPS 600 drives, which gives you plenty of maneuverability, especially when you're paired with this joystick. We have an assortment of rocker switches here for different controls, including the skylight that opens up to give you an open air feel in this coupe. The 45 Cantius features a 2-stateroom, 2-head layout with a forward master with its own ensuite head with a separated shower. As you moved aft, we have our aft mid-berth for all your guests on board that shares the day head. And as we make our way up to the bow, we have a nice height for the bow rail here, making it very comfortable walking forward with this beautiful lounger here with flip-up backrest. And forward of that, we have our windlass anchor with foot controls. And if you see yourself boating on this 45 Cantius this summer, or if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Josh Anarelli. Reach me at 727-366-5980. And I look forward to helping you get on the water soon.